Hi guys, my name is Jia Jotwani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second video about roses, watercolor roses. So firstly, let me tell you the material. I am using these Canson watercolor sheets, 300 GSM. You can get these from any nearby stationery, or you can order it online from Anupam Stationers or Itsy Bitsy. Next, I am using this camel watercolor cake. You can get it from any nearby stationery or from Amazon. I bought these brushes and I am using 4 number brush and 000 brush. Okay, you also I bought it from Amazon. You will get link in the description below. Next, I'm using this masking tape, tissue, palette, water spray bottle and Tombow hard tip pen. So let's get started. Today I'll teach you roses for beautiful borders, okay? The most important rule in this is, first we have to wet the cakes and then I'm taking pink color. So what we have to do is, we have to make C. Like this. Okay, from big to small. Like this. You have to make C. Thin, thick, thin. You have to do practice of this. First we have to make C darker. C and then in opposite direction like this. Again make C in opposite directions. Thin to thick. And then you can move your brush also if you want to. Move in zigzag way like this. Then wash your brush again and just use water brush around there. Just spread it like this. Leave white space in between. See. Next I am taking orange color. Again make small and dark circles. C. In opposite directions. From thin, thick and thin. And then wash your brush again. Use water. Next I'm taking pink color. You can take whatever color you like, you want. I'm taking now pink color. Wash your brush again and spread it. We have to go from dark to light. You just need to use water for the lighter shade. See. Okay, so now we are writing a quotation on this. So my quotation is, reading makes me happy. Hope you like my video. Go and check out my Instagram and please go tag me there if you try this. Bye bye.